Hi guys, Ernest here, and today I'm going to be doing a Animal Jam news video. Hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First up is direwolves are here. In a historic event, a second extinct species has returned to Jamar. Thanks to the recent discovery of the Heartstone deep in Beluish, just like saber-tooths, direwolves have appeared after many years of being considered extinct. Both have returned, but questions remain. How will these ancient animals fare together? Will they be allies or adversaries? I think that's how you say it. This is really cool. I don't know if this is going to be as popular as the direwolf, but let's go check them out, guys. Okay, we're here, and these look pretty cool. They kind of, I would think they would look kind of like the saber-tooth, but let's pick a name. We should name him Prince. That's a cool name. He looks like a prince, or no, a professor. That looks cool. Let's see. Professor Jazzy Dress. Perfect. Love it. 5. Now let's see how this looks, guys. I don't know about this one, guys. I mean, his run is really cool. It just kind of looks like the saber-tooth. Here's the saber-tooth, and here's the direwolf. I don't know. They're just, I mean, his back is really arched, just like the saber-tooth. But let's see him with, like, spikes. If they look really, really big on him, or, like, clothing items. Let's see. I would think they would look kind of big. I mean, the lion, they look really big. But let's see. Here's spiked collar. I just got this, and I'm so hot. Oh my goodness. That's a little too much, don't you think? That's just a little too much. I don't know. They're not my favorite. I would think they would look kind of cooler than this. I mean, I don't know, guys. They're just not my favorite. You may like them, but I personally, they're not my favorite. Let's move on to the next news, guys. The next news report is Old Barn. Is farm life a calling you? Well, the old barn is back. This rural, I don't know, den is a perfect place to get away from the hustle and bustle of the rest of Jamal. So invite your buddies and party till the cows come home. I've always wanted this. I don't know. I just think it's really cool. Let's go get one, guys. Okay, here we are. This is the old barn. I went to the diamond shop, but I didn't see them there. So, they cost gems, which is kind of weird because most dens cost diamonds, but that's kind of cool. So let's check it out, guys. Here we are. This looks really cool. I mean, this would be a good den for like parties, whatever you want. It's just a nice little den. I like this barn. I really like the red, and the haystacks add a lot to it. So yeah, it's just a simple, nice den. Here, let's see some den items. Oh, I need to hang up the masterpiece that we did in our last video. Definitely, I think this is going to be our masterpiece's own den. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. The next one is Summer Carnival. The Summer Carnival is back, and it's bursting with summer fun. Play lots of fun carnival games that can't be found anywhere else, and win unique carnival prizes. The fun will keep all summer long, so look for new prizes come all the time. You can find the awesome summer carnival in the party list. Let's see if it's in the party list, guys. I hope it is. Oh, there it is. Let's go check it out. Yay. Here it is. Ooh, I get 500 free tickets? Welcome to the Summer Carnival. Enjoy 500 free tickets. Use tickets to buy cool prizes. Yay! Thank you so much. Yay! This is really cool. I've been waiting so long for this to come out. What is this? What is this? Maybe it's somewhere where you draw something or print something out? I don't know. Yep, I was right. Look at all these cool carnival coloring games you can print. This would be really fun. Hey, print some of these and do some of these. Let's see what else is in this carnival. Oh, this is my favorite game at Carnivals, the bowling thing. I forgot what it's called. Let's play. I think you guys know this. Let's see. Please do 50. Oh man, only 10. Let's see. 50, that's not bad. I got 300! Oh my goodness! That's... Oh my goodness! Yay! Does that mean like I get 300 tickets? Let's try to get the 300 again. I think I have one more to try. Oh man, I don't think I'm gonna get it. What a fail. Wait, I get one more? Let's see. Bam. Aw, didn't get it. Oh, I think this is my last turn. 100, that's not bad. I love this game. 250? Oh, I only get 55 tickets, but that's still good. That's really cool. Hey guys, let's go get a prize. I think we deserve a prize. Where do we get the prizes? Oh, I think right here. Aw, am I too poor to get any? Aw, that's sad. Well, instead of that, I think our prize should be some cotton candy, don't you think? Yeah, cotton candy. Cotton candy is the best. But what cone? I kind of like these hearts. These are cute. Choose a flavor. I kind of like this blue. Then swirl it around. Yay, I got some cotton candy. Beautiful. Let's move on to the next one, guys. The next one is refer a friend. Summer vacation is kicking off, which means it's the perfect time to share Animal Jam with friends. When you get a friend to join Animal Jam, you'll both receive an awesome reward, 1,500 gems. If that friend joins with a membership, you'll get something even better. 15 diamonds and a week added to your membership. Oh wow. Whenever a new friend joins Animal Jam, have them enter your username or give them a referral link with the button by the buddy list and then claim your rewards. That's really cool. I might need to refer a buddy or something. Yeah, that would be fun. The next one is tickets. Wondering where to spend your summer carnival tickets? There are a bunch of special shops around right inside the summer carnival. There's more shops? Really? Wait, really? Huh. Is this the shop? No, I don't think it's a shop. Where's the shops? Hold on, let me try to find these guys. Guys, look what I just found. I can spend 2,500 gems on 5,000 tickets. We're getting these. We're getting a bunch of these. Well, two of them. Now, we can actually go buy like a little prize. That's really cool. I want a prize. Here, let's see. Oh, we can get a giant one? What one should we get? I kind of want this shark. I like this shark. What kind of color? Oh, I liked that purple. That purple was pretty. Let's do that. Oh, yay! Let's go put it in our den. Okay. So, oh wow, that's really big. You can put it right there. It's really cool. That's really, really, really cool. I love it. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is cotton candy. Have you tried making cotton candy at the summer carnival? Be sure to try lots of different mixtures. You never know what you might create. Guess what? I just got some cotton candy. Oh man, I ate it all. But I did. So, yeah. So, I really like the cotton candy machine. Because it's really just, I don't know, it's cool. It's a nice little feature of Animal Jam. The next one is Mysteries Remain. The Mystery Below adventure now has a hard mode. Embark with Alphas, Cosmo, and Greyhound today. Oh, that's really cool, but I don't really like, just like what I said, I don't really like, adventures other than Forgotten Desert. I just like Forgotten Desert, that's it. And then the next one is Cosmo's frame. Speak of Cosmo, his masterpiece frame has arrived. Try adding it to your next landscape painting. gonna cover up your masterpiece. Let's go see, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's just paint a random thing. Ta-da. Ugh. Ugh, I'm trying to draw a cool face here. Ugh. Okay. This is failing, but I don't care. Here we go. Here we go. And then, voila, perfection. And then create a den item. Let's see. Well, let me. Okay. I mean, that's okay. Like, for something like this, that's pretty cool. For like a really detailed masterpiece, I don't think this would be a great one. But I like it. I like it better than say Sir Gilbert's frame. That's really cool. Let's move on to the last one. The last one is Never Stop Reading. School's almost out, which means that jammers everywhere are looking for cool new books to read this summer. Emerald Jam books make a great addition to any summer reading schedule, and they're available now on Amazon. That's pretty cool. These might be a little easy for me, but for other people, they might be really fun. Speaking of like books, I tried to find the Animal Jam magazine. I couldn't find it anywhere. So that kind of was kind of sad, but that's okay. I might get it. I might see it later, and if I do see it, I'll definitely pick it up and review it for you guys. Well guys, sadly, I think that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.